Good morning, my fellow being humans. Well, here's a quick demonstration on how I do the twists. It's probably not how the professionals do it, but I'm not a professional and I never played one on TV. So I've got 4 strands here. As you can see, I've got 4 in one end in this fancy little clip, which are amazing. If you ever see them, buy them. And I've got the other 4 ends in the chuck of me drill here. Now I've got this set on low, and for some reason I find it better in reverse. Now hopefully you can see what happens when I pull the trigger. And try and hold a bit of weight on that. Yeah. See the twist there? So what I'll do, because it's got little juddery bits here where it just hasn't quite grabbed right, I'll cut that, and that'll be the length of my bracelet. So I'll show you what happens next after that. Right, so the next step is to anneal it, which is meant to make it soft and pliable when you work it. So what you do is you get a torch. If you're a kid, don't use one of these without parental supervision. I'm just going to heat this. And you can see that. And what you're looking for is for it to change colour consistently. Now you can see that that's getting a different colour now, so I will drop it in the water. Right, I'll be back with part 2 shortly.